Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. PHPUnit package is available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so you can install it via importing ppa repo as shown. Verify the PHPUnit has been installed by running the next command. For listing all options with PHPUnit, run the next command. You will get the similar output. To remove PHPUnit, you need to run the next command. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.